Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. I am Agus Saepul with ID number 2025 74 70062. I am a student of postgraduate program in the Prasta Pegari University. Today, I would like to present my presentation with the topic Mastering English as a Foreign Language, with the core topic Strategies for Success in Learning EFL. This is to fulfill my final test for subject academic speaking for. Okay, audience. Here is the introduction and also outline of this presentation. The introduction is about learning English as a foreign language is an important skill in 20th century. And the outline are there are 5 stages of period and there are 4 strategies for success in learning English as a foreign language. Okay, audience, I will inform you all the content of this presentation. In the context of English as a foreign language, the state of being successful in foreign language learning should not be only determined by how well they perform in written, but also by how good they are using language, of course, English, to communicate messages orally. Okay, let's start. The first period, if you understand more than you can say and use body movement and single word, this is called the silent period. Here means you understand several words in English, but you cannot speak it. You only use your body movement like that. So this is called the silent period. I remind you again, by recognizing these 5 stages or period, you can do the best for your practicing next. Okay, continue. The second period, if you start using short phrases or more than one word and basic greetings like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and another troublemaker, problem solver, so you know more than one word. This is called the early production period. Here means you know more than one word and you use basic greeting. Okay, the third period, if you can form simple sentence, if you can make simple sentences even with grammatical error, this is called the emerging speech period. The emerging speech period. Here means you can make simple sentences or form simple sentences even with grammatical error. Like I hungry because this afternoon. You can make simple sentences but with grammatical error. This is called the emerging speech period. Okay, the fourth stage, if you can engage in complex conversation and express opinions, but still struggle with academic or technical language, this is called the intermediate fluency period. The intermediate fluency period. You can give your opinion, you can express your opinion, you can make English sentences with a good grammatical, but you still struggle with academic or technical language in English. So this period called the intermediate fluency period. And the last, the fifth stage, if you can communicate almost effortlessly in early or social and professional situation, this is called the advanced fluency period. Okay, the first strategy is the habituation strategy at home. Here means you don't need to move to London or somewhere the native speaker lives. Surround yourself with English in your daily life. For example, A. You can change your phone setting using English. B. You can watch movie with English subtitle instead your native language. C. You can use podcasts or listening music to get used to the rhythm and intonation of native speaker. This is called the habituation strategy at home. The second strategy is focusing on precise, not individual words. Instead of memorizing a single word like decision, problem, speak. Okay, audience, the conclusion of my presentation today, the first is there are 5 stages of period where you can see when you learn English, and there are 4 strategies for success in learning English as a foreign language. Okay, audience, I hope this presentation give you more information about how to learn English as a foreign language. I think enough for this presentation. Last, I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.